Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Elena and I am currently on a weight loss journey to lose 100 pounds. And so far, as of this week, I have lost 28.2 pounds since January 3rd. I did my weigh-in. I'll show you a clip of that right now. It's week 9 and I'm about to weigh myself. So as you can see, I lost just over 2 pounds last week, which is great. I'm still losing weight. I feel so good. Like, I used to get daily headaches and I don't anymore. I used to get daily heartburn. I don't anymore. Sometimes I do, like if I do an extra long fast, I find that I can get a little bit of like acid reflux. I think it's just because my stomach has these acids and there's nothing in my stomach for it to digest. So I think that's what that's from, but it's very, very rare. My skin is starting to be less dry, and yeah, it's just really good. Now I'm going to dive in and show you what I'm going to eat today. I haven't had coffee yet. It's about 12, almost 12:30. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat first and then I'll have my coffee like as a snack later. So let's just jump right into that. It's 12:26 and I'm having my first meal of the day. I'm going to make some wraps with some turkey lunch meat and baby Swiss cheese. This is some dip that I made yesterday. All it is sour cream, some dill, and a little bit of a ranch packet. I just stir it in until it tastes really good. I'm gonna add some tomato, half an avocado, cucumber slices, and some spring mix. And then I'm also going to add some garlic olive oil on top of that. And I like to get deli meat, like from the actual deli where they slice it up, because the pieces tend to be like bigger, so I can use the actual deli meat as the wrap. So this is just some like jerk seasoned turkey, so it's kind of spicy, which I like. And I broke my cheese slices in half just so that this will roll up better. So here's what it looks like when it's all neat and wrapped up. I'll probably eat one of these and save the other one for later because it is pretty big, as you can see, but it's very, very, very low carb, and it's also kind of low calorie, but it's high in fat, so that's what matters. It's 3:07, and as you can see, I ate my other one and it was really good. For dinner, I'm making a Mexican casserole. I'm going to use this cilantro lime chicken. It's Kevin's Paleo. I found it at Publix, and it's 3 grams of carbs per serving. There's 3 servings in each container, and each of us are probably going to have 2 servings because I have 2 packages, so it's going to be 6 carbs each. I'm going to caramelize an entire onion just to give the casserole like some substance and some bulk, because I don't like to use a ton of cauliflower rice. So I use about half the amount of cauliflower rice and then an entire onion. And I just cook it until it gets nice and brown. Like, I really, really like my onions cooked and soft. This is what the chicken looks like out of the package. So I'm just going to like shred this up or like dice it up and then mix this green salsa in with it. The onions are done. This is how I like them. I'm adding this cauliflower rice and I'm just gonna like stir fry it in the butter and onions, and I'm going to add some seasonings to this to give it some flavor. I'm adding some Himalayan salt, some ground cumin, which gives it that Mexican flavor. I'm also adding some garlic powder and some organic thyme, some chili powder, and paprika to give it a smoky flavor, and a little bit of fajita seasoning. And the spices are added. I'm just going to stir all of this up and then add it to my casserole dish. Here's the chicken all shredded up with the salsa added. It actually smells really good. I added the cauliflower and onion to the bottom of my dish, and I poured a little bit of this enchilada sauce from Trader Joe's on it, just a tiny amount, like a quarter cup, because it's 4 grams of carbs per quarter cup. I'm going to layer some shredded cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to add the chicken on top of that. And on top of the chicken, I'm going to add some more shredded cheese. And then I'm topping that all off with my favorite fresh mozzarella. I'm popping this in the oven. It's at 400 degrees. And I believe I left it in there for about 20 minutes. And you guys, it came out so delicious. I added some avocado on the side of this, and this is like one of my favorite meals now. This is definitely going to be a staple in my house. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram at Better Me Blossoming. And I will see you next time. Bye.